To make perfect French baked eggs, start by cracking 2 eggs into buttered ramekin. Then pour 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and add some chunks of cream cheese on top. Season the eggs and transfer ramekins into a baking tray. You will need to fill it with boiling water until it reaches half the size of the ramekins. Cover the entire tray with foil and bake for 12 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Garnish with scallions and serve with breadsticks. Enjoy! Boil the eggs for 6 minutes and transfer to the ice bath. Meanwhile, prepare the marinade. It's simply soy sauce, sugar, rice vinegar, water, and Chinese 5-spice mixed together. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Transfer to a container and set aside. Once cooled, add in the aromatics: cinnamon, garlic, ginger, scallions, and red chili pepper. Carefully lower peeled eggs into the soy sauce and place in the fridge to marinate overnight or at least for 6 hours. You can eat soy sauce eggs as a snack or serve over a bowl of rice or noodles. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top and enjoy! Classic deviled eggs recipe calls for hard-boiled eggs. Peel them, cut in halves, and carefully transfer the egg yolks to a separate bowl. Mash them with a fork and add mayonnaise, mustard, and a splash of vinegar. Season to taste and combine together. Once the yolk mixture is smooth, scoop it back into the egg whites. Top with paprika and scallions or any fresh herbs that you like. And here you've got perfect deviled eggs to enjoy. Let's turn the eggs into little clouds. Separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Whisk the whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks. Spoon the fluffy mixture onto the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Make a well in the middle of each cloud using a spoon. After baking for 3 minutes, place the egg yolks into each cloud and bake for 3 more minutes. Sprinkle with parmesan and enjoy on a toast or as it is. Shakshuka features onions and red bell peppers cooked with chopped tomatoes. The sauce is seasoned with salt, cumin, chili flakes, and garlic powder. The last step is to crack the eggs and let them cook for about 6 more minutes until the whites have set but the yolks are still a bit runny. Garnish with crumbled feta cheese and fresh parsley. Serve right away. Enjoy! Cut out a hole in 2 pieces of bread using a cookie cutter. Melt the butter in a pan, and once it's hot and bubbly, place the first slice of bread into the pan. Evenly spread cheddar cheese on the bread slice and top with the second one. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the bottom slice is golden brown. Flip the sandwich, place some butter into the cutout, and crack the egg into a hole. Cook until the egg is done. Separately cook the cutout shapes the same way as the toast and use it to dip into the yolk. Enjoy! Making Japanese rolled omelette might seem like a lot of work, but it's pretty easy. Crack eggs into a bowl, mix with sugar, dashi powder, and mirin. Give it a good whisk and heat the pan. Pour a thin layer of the egg mixture onto the pan. When it's almost cooked, start rolling, slightly pressing with each roll. Oil the pan before adding the next batch of the egg mixture. Swirl the pan so that the egg distributes evenly. Keep repeating the process until the egg mixture is gone. Let the egg roll cool for 5 minutes and cut into even pieces. Serve sprinkled with your favorite toppings. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!